Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your September read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in September, Libra, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of September. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, oh my God, what's happening to you, Libra? Why are you in solitude? Why are you in hermit mode right now? This is your current energy anyways, so don't worry about it. And hidden message from the universe. Bottom of my spread, I have the Queen of Pentacles. So focusing a lot on your money, it seems, focusing on your future, focusing on your investment. If this is a relationship, then maybe on somebody who you see as the Queen of Pentacles. So let's see what's going on here. Before I start reading these cards, Libra, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you for the month of September. So Lord Ganesha, for Libra please, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Libra gang. Thank you. And the card I have here, Libra, for you is concentration. Whatever you want, you're already clear about your goal. This clarity has come to you in the recent past about something. You could be kind of in hermit mode right now and trying to figure out how, what, but if you concentrate, you can achieve anything. I'm going to take a few lines from the book as well. Let's see if there's a special message here for you. Libra. Number 9. Number 9 is number 27, which is also a 9. So 9 is usually the ending of a cycle in your life, Libra. Okay. Utilize the tools and resources and skills that are available to you. Ganesha will support you with inspired ways to solve problems. You can benefit from inventive forces if you can maintain your power and work with awareness and focus. Act consciously with the understanding that applied effort will get you what you want. Knowing what you're doing and why you're doing it. You need to be focused on a single objective or purpose at this time. You're asked to channel all your energy, tools, and whatever towards this one goal, what you've kind of, become clear about. Commit to the task and eliminate distractions that will take your attention away from what you're trying to realize. Take the time to research other avenues or possible solutions. Keep a practical approach and work at a steady pace. Remain as objective as possible. Consider how you can best interact with the people in your life. It's important to remember to treat others the way you would like to be treated. Okay, Libra, so it's time to get out of your head. Yes, it's very good to be in solitude and seeking answers from the universe, but what Lord Ganesha is saying, it's now time to come back into the 3D world and consciously start working towards whatever this objective is. Okay, so let's see what this is for you. Before that, let's also take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. So what do you have for Libra? What do you have for Libra, Spirit? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for September. Learning experience. Okay, so you're almost at the end of that though, Libra, from what I see. Something has taught you hell of a lot. That much I know. You have gained that clarity. I don't know what happened, what this is about, but whatever has happened, it's taught you a very, very strong, very spiritual, very important lesson in your life. Okay, so but September is going to be the month, Libra, now to let go of thinking and procrastinating and being spiritual or whatever, and actually get down and do something about it. You've already got the answers. Okay, so let's see what this is. What's this Hermit cards for Libra's current energy, Spirit? This is now. You could be in this mode at the moment. Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. There's a big change coming, or maybe that's what you're praying for. For good luck to be on your side, or things to start moving forward. You are wishing and praying for something, aren't you, Libra? You are wishing and praying for something, and you could be doing it in a very spiritual way, maybe getting guidance from your angels, from your ancestors, praying for this big change, a change in fortune, change of luck, and healing maybe as well. So what did Libra become clear about, Spirit, in the recent past? Ace of Swords. What is this Ace of Swords? What was this information? Something that you didn't. This is that one thing which kind of put a little bit of burden on you. You felt, oh, what happened here? And that whatever knowledge came to you, it kind of made you feel a bit oppressed. And that actually triggered you into going into some, how can I say this? It kind of made you stop in your tracks. It made you stop in your tracks, and I think you took some time out, Libra, which I see you're still doing in the hermit mode. And this is what maybe is giving you that enlightenment about what you need to do, what you need to change. Maybe there was some sneaky behavior in the past, maybe there was some stealing, lying, cheating, something came out in the fore. But now you're ready for this brand new beginning. You're ready for a brand new start. And you have been praying to the universe to make your wishes come true, from what I feel. I think in September it's going to be the end of that. It's going to be the end of all your worries. But you will have to make a very important decision. There's a very, very important decision which you're trying not to make. I think you will try your best. But Spirit is urging you, it's time for action now, Libra. It's now time to be in that very decisive. This is a very worldly king. I mean, masculine, feminine doesn't matter. This is somebody who actually takes action. Spirit is saying this is not the time to be double-minded about whatever decision you're trying to make. This is going to be a time for action. What else can Libra expect, Spirit, in the month of September? One more. Libra, I think you are focused single-mindedly on growth, abundance. Maybe a person who represents the Empress to you, I don't know, or you could be that Empress yourself. You're very focused on achieving a goal. And it's going to need you to stop doubting yourself. If you're in double minds or two minds, like I saw here as well with the Two of Swords, it's going to, yes, this two of swords, it's time now to make one decision and be single-minded, focused on what you want, maybe who you want, or what you want to achieve. So what else for September, Spirit? Let's have one more card. What else can Libra expect for September? And I do see you going towards, what happened here? Let me put all these back. But with the Empress card out here, in the upright in the month of September, I do feel, I think it's very possible for you to end this old chapter of pain, of suffering, of indecision. I think in September you will be dropping this going back and forth energy. You will achieve this place where you feel, okay, I've done it. I've done it now. The only thing keeping you away from all this fertility, growth and abundance in your life, Libra, is you kind of being a bit confused as to, or maybe juggling or not making a decision. Once you make that one decision, exactly what Lord Ganesha said, right? Focus on that one thing and put everything into it. You definitely will achieve it. So what should Libra hold on to, Spirit? King of Pentacles. Wow, 10 of Cups. This is what you should hold on to. This card came out before. The past is over. The past is over. You can let go of all this pain and suffering. You have to focus on being authentic. Being authentic, somebody who takes charge of their life and realizing, yes, I can achieve my 10 of Cups. This is the feeling that you have to hold on to. This is over. All 10 are over. There is no 11th that can be done. I've reached the end of, my patience here, and Spirit is saying hold on to the fact that you can achieve the ultimate happiness. As long as you are authentic, you are sincere in your effort, as long as you're practical. King of Pentacles, again, a very practical, grounded energy. So what should Libra let go of, Spirit? Libra, let go of this feeling. If you're in this feeling of feeling lack, or feeling, oh, I'm always left behind, nothing ever works out for me, or I don't have enough money, or I don't have the relationship I want, this kind of feeling is going to, continue you to be in this 10 of Swords energy, which Spirit wants you to get rid of. This is come in the position of what should Libra let go of? And it's time to let go of this. 5 of Pentacles, Spirit, why should Libra let go of the 5 of Pentacles energy? 5 of Pentacles. Because it's not real, it's not authentic. You're hiding what you truly want. You have to turn your back to anything, any circumstance which doesn't make you feel good anymore, Libra. It's time to now... It's now time for you to reap the benefit of everything that you've done so far. I mean, I think you've already done all the work. You've already done the work. No more work is really required in terms of... no, you have to put in your effort. I'm not saying stop working or stop putting in effort. But the whole point is that the kind of work you've already done till now, your ships are coming in. Your ships are coming in. You are now... You have to turn your back now to all the past disappointments. Maybe you stopped putting in work. Maybe that's what it's trying to say. Libra is not making that steady progress towards their goals. But we are promising them if they get out of this slump, their ships will come in. So what should Libra let go of? What's going to be Libra's, biggest blockage now in the month of September? Libra, hiding your feelings can become a blockage. I think, yes, being totally by yourself, this is what you're doing right now as well, from what I can see. Keeping your feelings to yourself, staying silent, staying quiet, not sharing your innermost fears or unhappiness or whatever you're going through right now. I don't know. Libra, you need to be a little more expressive. Otherwise, it will become a blockage and you're going to stay in this hermit mode for longer. Why is this going to be a blockage, Spirit? The King of Cups. I think you have a little bit of lack of trust. You have a little bit of lack of trust. You feel everybody is out to get you. That could be a possibility. From the Page of Swords, I see that you are a little wary now of trusting others. So you don't like to open up, and eventually what happens, Libra, it makes you feel unhappy. It makes you feel that you're not having wish fulfillment. But then, Libra, you have to give if you want to get, right? If you don't trust anyone, how do you expect them to be open with you, right? So this can become a little bit of a blockage. So open up a little more, okay? I'll give you an example. It's like me telling another person, hold my hand. But listen, I'm not going to hold yours. Is that even possible? Because the minute somebody else holds my hand, automatically I'm holding the other person's hand. But from what I see, you want people to hold your hand, but you are wary, but I'm not going to hold your hand. I'm going to watch you before I hold your hand. And then there is no holding hands. So, how do people see my Libra gang in the month of September, Spirit? Page of Cups. Why do people see my Libra gang as the Page of Cups, Spirit? People see you, Libra, that you need to let go of some conflict or some fight, and you need to pull yourself out of some unhappiness of always seeing what didn't happen for you in the past. People see that you have a little bit of fear. Page of Cups is clarified by the Page of Cups. Maybe you need to apologize to somebody, I don't know. Or people could also see that you are starting an emotional new journey. I don't know. This seems more like an apology, because I do see the Knight of Swords and the Five of Wands in reverse. This is like having to end a fight, having to end a competition or something like that. People may see that you're a bit fearful of committing to, I don't know what, an apology? How else do people see my Libra spirit? They see you going through some kind of a tower moment, but whatever tower moment is going to happen, Libra, it's going to lead you into a very, very happy space. You're going to be doing something which is very difficult for you. This could be starting a new job, accepting a new offer, maybe apologizing to somebody about something that happened in the past. But the minute that happens, Libra, all your troubles are going to be left behind, and you're going to be moving to a very peaceful, happy place for yourself. The sun shines again after this huge shake-up that you're going to do to your life. So think about it. I don't know what you're going through. Whatever this thing is which people see you kind of being a little defensive about, or not knowing whether you shouldn't, if there are any unrests around you, the minute you make peace with that, your life is going to change. So what's Spirit's secret message for Libra? The Emperor. Libra, you're going to be back in control in September from what I see. Yes, there's going to be a return. Return to what, Spirit? What's this return going to bring? There's going to be a return and a very strong conversation about maybe why things didn't work out. Once this conversation happens, Libra, with whatever this return is in your life, I think it's going to open the doors for happiness once again in your life. These could be new offers that you will be getting, or this could be you offering some sweetness into somebody's life. I don't know, but you will, one way or the other, whatever happens, whatever conversation about something which is imbalanced in your life. Something is imbalanced at the moment from what I see, which is taking away your excitement for life. So the minute I think this communication happens, this return happens of something in your life, it's going to open up the floodgates of emotion, which is going to make you very, very happy. And you know what happens sometimes when our chakras are blocked? So if you are emotionally not happy, you'll notice that your financial life also suffers. So it's very important to balance everything out in your life if you want to, see, this queen has a pentacle, this queen has a cup. Totally balanced. And that is what your new journey is going to be all about, your new chapter that you're starting after the Ten of Swords feeling that maybe you're just coming out from. There's going to be a partnership, there's going to be something new which is going to be balanced, which is going to be equal, where you actually can work things out. This could be in work as well. Maybe there's a new partnership that's going to come to you. Maybe you had a fight with your old partner. I don't know what this is, but Libra, this is going to be the end, but you have to make that effort to take back power, take back control, and not just sit around in this mode. You'll have to pull yourself out of this. Normally in readings, we always recommend that a person goes into hermit mode, does the inner work. But from what I feel from this reading for you, Libra, even Lord Ganesha seconded that this is done. Now you have to get back into the 3D world and actually take physical action towards that goal. Single-minded devotion, single-minded concentration will get you what you really want. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Libra. Do let me know if it resonated. A thumbs up will do. And newbies, if you're here, do subscribe, and we'll meet for our love readings next. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.